set flags in the morning.
It is a low pressure system. Delta East Coast Australia.
High alert. North will be our priority. That's where the swimming flags are today.
The biggest swell event of the year is heading to Bondi, and tourists are none the wiser.
No, I've never even contemplated looking as well, Charles.
We don't have the whitewash. Is that anything to do with the swell?
Is that something that surfers do?
No, I just check the menu in the pavilion before I came here. We haven't checked that. We just got to find the flags, 17 flags.
They got this idea in their head that today's the day they're going to Bondi Beach and they're swimming no matter what.
Monster swells arrive in a matter of hours.
You know, it's 30 degrees, the sun was out, you know, it was a beautiful day. It was just that the swell was enormous.
The north end of Bondi is the least dangerous place on the beach. But a single set of flags has danger on all sides.
It's very dicey out there at the moment.
South of the flags, the surf gets bigger. North of the flags is a raging rip. And beyond that, surf-backed rocks present obvious dangers.
Got a nice gash underneath his third toe.
You cut a sort of slither off your thumb.
For now, this set of flags is the only option lifeguards have to contain swimmers.
When we get a massive swell down here, the mood and the vibe between the boys definitely changes.